Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here, my friends, once again with breaking news, and this time it's the DJI FPV drone once again. That's right. And my friends, the DJI FPV drone has just been spotted in the wild. That's right. And also we have the first flight video of the DJI FPV drone coming. All of this info in today's video, my friends, so you don't want to miss on today's video. It's going to be a very exciting one, my friends. But before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with the latest drone news, and also so that you can participate in our next giveaway. Okay, how big will the prize be? Well, that's going to depend on all your guys' support. If we get a little support, well, we maybe give away a filter, a case, or just maybe a landing pad. But if we get a really good amount of support from all of you, we might even go ahead and give away another drone here in the channel. So my friends, if you want to see this happening in the channel, you know what you gotta do. Hit that subscribe button and join the Drone in Motion family. So my friends, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is a very exciting one. So in today's video we're going to be talking about the DJI FPV drone that just got spotted in the wild, and also about the first flight video of the FPV drone, and we have it here in the channel for all of you, a world premiere. So we're gonna get started, my friends, with the DJI FPV drone being spotted in the wild. Okay, this time the DJI FPV drone was spotted on Indonesia, okay, and it was spotted on Twitter. So my friend, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the first picture that we got right here. We have it. So in that picture we can clearly see Rick, GM, Sam Calder, Tamtaco, and Robert Hill. And we know that Sam Calder has been working for DJI in the past to create content for them. So what's going on here is that they are filming the introductory video for the FPV drone that's supposed to be released very soon. So in that first picture we really don't see the FPV drone, right? Well, let me go ahead, my friends, and show you the second picture right here on screen. There we have it. So we can clearly see on the back, if we zoom in, we can clearly see the controller that we've been talking a lot about in this channel. On the right we have the FPV drone, DJI FPV drone. There we have it, and it's the same location as of the same picture, and this has been taking place in the island of Nusa Penida in Indonesia. And a very interesting fact is that this is not the first time that DJI has picked Indonesia for their release footage to be shot. So this is very interesting because this confirms that the DJI FPV drone it's done, and their DJI is getting ready to launch the product, and we can clearly confirm that the FPV drone introductory video is being filmed. Okay, now, and this is important to mention that this happened a few weeks ago, okay, and now they're just finishing the touch-ups and editing. Okay, so that is the first piece of information that we have for all of you. Some very exciting info. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead, my friends, and dive right into the most exciting part of this video, which is the first flight of the FPV drone. So a lot of people were afraid that this DJI FPV drone was not going to be able to fly that well. Well, let me tell you something, my friends. I think we were a little bit wrong, because this looks absolutely mind-blowing. So in case you missed our last video where we showed you the FPV drone, here we have it for all of you to see. So there is the FPV drone that got leaked a few days ago, but today we have the world premiere of the first flight of the DJI FPV drone, brought to you thanks to the great guys over at the Deals Drone in Twitter. So I'm gonna go ahead, my friends, and share the first flight of the DJI FPV drone right here on screen. there we have it, and that looks absolutely amazing. And in case you were a little bit skeptical, maybe you're saying, well, how do you know that's even the DJI FPV drone? That maybe just be a normal FPV drone. Well, here we have a picture, a screenshot, my friends, where we can clearly see the silhouette of the drone, and it's the same one that I just showed you before. So right here on screen we have this in order to prove that this is the FPV drone. Right here on screen, there we have it, my friends. That is the screenshot that we got thanks to our friends over at Deals Drone on Twitter. So this is something very exciting, the first flight of the DJI FPV drone, and it looks like it's going to be handle absolutely amazing. A lot of people were worried about the handle of the drone, and I mean, I think we're gonna have no problem with it. It looks very agile from the video and looks absolutely amazing. So this is the latest leaks and news that we have from the DJI FPV drone, the first world exclusive of the first flight. Thanks for watching, my friends. That's all we got for all of you today. As soon as we have any more new info, specs, or anything regarding the DJI FPV drone, we're going to keep you guys here updated in the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone in Motion, signing out.